Senate Minority Leader Franklin Drilon has pressed the Department of Public Works and Highway to fast-track the construction of the Iloilo-Guimaras-Negros Bridge, and provide a timeline for the project. Drilon said that before his term ends in 2022, he wants to see the realization of the dream of the people of Region 6, to have the PGN bridge constructed to enhance interconnectivity and boost commerce and trade in the region. However, the minority leader said he is frustrated at the slow pace of progress on the PGN bridge that will connect the three major islands in the Western Visayas region. For more of the latest news, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and click the notification bell icon.